So given this problem statement, if t subscript r is the rth term of an arithmetic progression, for the values of r can take the values 1, 2, 3 and so on continuously. If for some positive integers m and n, we have this value that is t subscript m is given as 1 over n, and the nth term that is given as 1 over m. So in that case, the product of m and nth term is something that we need to compute. Now I'll go towards the solution part. So here you can observe here that this one is given that t subscript m is given as 1 over n. So this can be written as a plus m minus 1 times d, which is equal to 1 over n. 1 over n. Now if you observe the nth term, that is t of t subscript n is given as 1 over m. So this can be written as first term, let's say a, and this is n minus 1 times d, that is equal to 1 over, okay, so this will be equal to 1 over m, right, 1 over m. Now I'll subtract this. So let us call this as the first equation and this one as the second equation, right? So I'll perform the subtraction operation, right? Okay, so on performing subtraction here, we can write this one as m minus n, right? So here this will be m minus n times d, that will be equal to 1 over n minus 1 over m, which is equal to d. So here d is equal to, this implies that d is equal to 1 over the product of m and n, right? So that is the basic idea. Now this is the subtraction operation. Now I'll proceed towards the next equation. Again we can say that this m nth term, about this m nth term, so here we can write t subscript the product of mn, this will be equal to, I can write this one as a plus mn minus 1 times d, right? And in the next step we can write this will be equal to a plus, and here instead of mn I can write here mn minus n plus n, and then minus 1 times d, minus negative n and positive n, this contributes to 0. And from here, if you can observe, a plus n minus 1 into d, this can be isolated here, right? And plus mn minus n times d. So if you observe, this is clearly the nth term, right? Now in the next step I can write this will be equal to t of n, and from here n is the common factor, so n times m minus 1 times d, and this nth term is nothing but this is 1 over m plus n times m minus 1 times this d is nothing but 1 over mn, which we got here, right? Now on resolving this particular expression, we'll get the answer as 1. So therefore this t subscript the product of mn is equal to 1, and this is my answer.